Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Sunday, March 31st, and this is my recap of the top viewed videos from Friday. And on Friday, the pound US dollar came in number 2, so we're going to do a quick recap. If you'd like to see my full top down analysis on the pound dollar, make sure you check out the video linked at the end of this video over here. So tomorrow is actually a bank holiday for most people in the world, but we do have to remember that the US is open tomorrow. We have PMI and IMS manufacturing. Probably will see a little bit of movement in the New York session, but most people are still on bank holiday tomorrow, so it might be a little bit slow still. I think that the trend is definitely down on all the higher time frames down, and that tells me that we should primarily be looking for shorts in a downtrend. I still think that it is possibly going to go up and take out these two highs before we get another push down, so you possibly could make some scalps to the long side, but I definitely personally am not looking for longs. I'm looking for shorts in a downtrend at the end of pullbacks. If I see a nice impulsive move down, maybe even throw your Fibonacci retracement on here, a nice A, B, and C pattern, I will definitely take that as a short for the continuation of the downtrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel linked in the card up here above, and don't forget to check out my new website linked down here below. As always, thank you and happy trading.